Hello, it's me, Teacher Sherrie Rose, and welcome to another episode of Music and Movement with Teacher Sherrie Rose. I've been a little bit offline the last few weeks. I've been traveling. I just got back from the NAEYC, or the National Association for the Education of Young Children conference in Washington, D.C., and I got to learn a lot from really expert early childhood educators, and I'm really excited to be back and able to implement some of the new things that I learned, or some of the things that I was reminded of that I want to keep doing. And of course now we are in the week of Thanksgiving, so our school is actually closed, but I have taken a moment to come to school and feed the turtle, feed the fish, water the garden, and make a video for all of you. So I want to share a little bit about what we've been doing in Music and Movement in the month of November since I last posted. So one of the songs that we've been dancing to is called Shake It by Billy Gorilly. You can find that one on iTunes. We've also been dancing to the Move and Freeze song by the Learning Station. You can find that one on YouTube. And we've also been singing and dancing to the Shape song from the Handwriting Without Tears program. It's on their Sing, Sound, and Count album, which you can also find on iTunes. Today we're going to start with a different Handwriting Without Tears song that we've been singing recently, especially in the pre-K class, about bird legs. So I'm going to sort of let the CD take the lead on this one, but then this is a math song in terms of that we're counting the legs on birds, and the legs on birds are always counted 1, 2. So here is bird legs.
2, 4, 6, 8.
We're counting legs, so don't be late.
Quack, quack, beep, beep, cock-a-doodle-doo.
When we count the legs on birds, we always count 1, 2.
Birds that fly, birds that float, birds that talk to you.
When we count the legs on birds, we always count 1, 2.
Red birds, black birds, pink birds too.
When we count the legs on birds, we always count 1, 2.
Birds that glide, birds that dive, birds that perch on you.
When we count the legs on birds, we always count 1, 2. All right, so next we're going to be singing I'm a Little Tiger. So in our pre-K class, the students have gotten really interested in growling at each other out on the yard and pretending to be tigers and jaguars when we can get outside. We haven't been able to get outside as much lately with this terrible air quality, but when we can get outside, we found lots and lots of tiger play going on. So this is I'm a Little Tiger, and it is to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. I'm a little tiger in the jungle. Here are my stripes. Here is my tail. When I get excited, you will see just how loud that I can growl. Grrr. All right. So that's I'm a Little Tiger. In our threes class, we've been doing a very familiar song, but with a little bit of fun partner play. So we've been singing Row, Row, Row Your Boat, which you may be already familiar with, very traditional American song. But we've been doing it together with a partner. So we have the two children face each other with their legs out in front, holding hands. And then as we sing the song, they get to row back and forth, back and forth. And of course, row, row, row your boat goes like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So that's a fun one. You can do that one together with your child, rowing together at home. Just a fun one to get some gross motor, some social learning going on as well. And of course, a fun song that we are mostly all familiar with. And then last today, I'm going to sing for you a song called Color Friends, and I'm going to get out my friend Oscar the auto harp for this song. Color Friends was a song that was written by our former music teacher, Kit Close, who I think I may have mentioned before. She has moved away to Idaho in her retirement years, but she has left behind some amazing songs. And we have been singing Color Friends in all of our classes because, of course, of the holiday of Thanksgiving, and we're thinking about friendship and family and loving each other. So this is kind of a fun friendship song, and it also teaches color mixing as well. We've been singing it so much in our pre-K class that I've started to mix up the verses so that the children don't always know exactly what colors might be coming next. But here we go. This is Color Friends by Kit Close. Just gonna grab my friend Oscar. Let Oscar say hello to everybody. Here he is. All right, we are ready. Blue and yellow were hanging around. They played with each other, and this is what they found. They could be more than they were before. Now they're blue, yellow, and green. Friendship, friendship, it's the best thing I know. You can discover more with each other, so let your friendship grow. Yellow and red were hanging around. They played with each other, and this is what they found. They could be more than they were before. Now they're red, yellow, and orange. Friendship, friendship, it's the best thing I know. You can discover more with each other, so let your friendship grow. Red and blue were hanging around. They played with each other, and this is what they found. They could be more than they were before. Now they're red, blue, and purple. Friendship, friendship, it's the best thing I know. You can discover more with each other, so let your friendship grow. And I hope that your friendship grows as this Thanksgiving holiday comes this week and the holiday season begins. That's it for this episode. If you loved the content of this episode, please be sure to hit that like button. Comment below if you have any feedback for me or special requests. And also please feel free to subscribe to my channel and be sure to click on that bell icon to get notifications when new videos will appear. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.